the much coveted messy bun. I'm going to show you a pretty easy way to make one. You can do this on the back of your head too, but I'm going to do it up like a... They're very popular now, I think, having them up on the top of your head. Ideally, I would have my scrunchie for this, and I had it, I swear, like 10 minutes ago. But I don't have it now. So, instead, I'm going to use a regular ponytail holder. Well, not really regular, one of these pro hair ties that I love. Start making a ponytail. Now, on the last loop, we're going to only pull it part way. Get this kind of fan shape here. Now, wrap the rest of the hair. Coat, yes, it's a coat. It's a winter coat, and it's the middle of August. Well, no, it's the beginning of August. Okay, so we wrap that around, tuck it in, and then pull this down over the top and put a couple of pins in. And then, you know, pin it and fluff it and whatever, however you like. Messy bun! I need another pin. I have so few pins right now. And there you go. There is a messy bun for super long hair that is more or less effortless.